Best regards, Tudor. Below in the presentation of the section of my magazine, be green. Um, since it's talk about how important it is to care of the ecosystem, how in they can be protected with small actions. Then I will show you how I do it. I like to travel to green space to learn more about my country, also to promote an healthy experience and respect green areas. Remember that respecting the rivers without dirtying the water or throwing garbage will help us preserve it. Avoid making bonfires in green or some rare areas helps take care of the soil and take care of the fauna and flora since they are essential of the balancing the ecosystem. Thank you for your time and I hope you enjoy it. Bye.